Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the PayPal error that says things don't appear to be working at the moment. Please try again later so you can access your account smoothly. First, this error often happens due to temporary server issues or connectivity problems. Start by refreshing the page and trying again after a few minutes. Sometimes waiting a short time is all you need. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart your browser. Old data can interfere with PayPal's functions and cause this error. You can also try using a different browser or the PayPal mobile app to see if it works better. Make sure your internet connection is stable and avoid using VPN or proxy networks, as they can trigger PayPal's security checks. If the error happens during a transaction, check that your linked card or bank account is valid and has sufficient funds, and that there are no holds on your account. Finally, if the problem persists, contact PayPal support to check if there is an account-specific issue or ongoing system maintenance. And that's how you can fix this error and get PayPal working properly again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.